Hey guys, welcome back to Awesome Everyday, where today I'll be showing you how to solve the Rubik's Cube using the X and O method alone. This is the part 2, and if you haven't watched the part 1, the link will be in the description below. And yeah, so last time we made the cross and we made half a V on every side. Not half a V, half an X on every single side. And now we have to make the yellow. I know how you're gonna see this, but still I'm going to try to my best to show you in the camera, because I don't have a tripod stand like right from my shoulder so I can show you, but still I'll try my best. And first things first, I hope you watched the previous video or else you're gonna understand nothing. And now we're gonna have to look at the corner blocks and we're gonna find them if they are in the right place or on the wrong place. Right as in the correct and not the side right. Okay, so as you can see here, it is yellow with the yellow, so that means the yellow side is correct. Red is with orange, that means this side has to go somewhere else, to the red and green side. Okay, so we can take this red and green because the green is on top and the red is on side. And in this one there is orange and blue, but if we look at this, in these two they have nothing in common. So you can see red and blue, and here orange and blue, and here red and green. So we're gonna take a look at the next pairs, but in this one they have something in common. See, orange and blue, green and orange. So we're gonna turn this pair to the orange side. There we go. And now if we look, there is the green and the orange on this side and orange and blue on the other. That means this side has to go over here and this side has to go over here because they don't match with the sides they're corresponding to. And if you look at the other pair, as we can see, red and blue is with red and blue. As you can see, red and red, blue and blue. And if you look at this, red and red, green and green. That means these two are correct and these two need to be switched. So this is a very simple algorithm. Just hold the two pieces that are needing to be changed and turn it upside down like this. So it's facing like this, and we're going to do a very simple algorithm. We're going to turn this side down, this side to the right, this side back up, this side back to its original position, slide the face down, put this back where it was, and turn it this side, and then push it up. Hopefully you got all that. But now if we see that the orange is with orange, blue is with blue, red is with red, blue is with blue, green is with green, red is with red, and again green is with green, orange is with orange. And now if we look from above, only these two are matched, but what we need is this. Only one is matched, only one corner, and this side, where is this side, and other one will be on this side. One will be here and other one on top on this side. Okay, so we want something like this. This one over here, not here, one here and one here. But as you see, oh, look at this. It's already over there. But this one is also here, but we don't need this one. We need this one to be here or here. So for that, we're gonna take the side with two of them facing upwards, put them down and hold them like this, and do the same formula that I did like 2 minutes ago, and repeat it, but 2 times, because one will reverse them again and then the other time it will be reversed again. So we're gonna do this 2 times. So down, right, up, back, face, back, up. And now we have done this once. Now again, one, side, up, back, face, like this, and then come back to its position, and then up. So this isn't disturbed, but now we can see here, and you can see here. So we have the perfect. And sorry for that now noise, that was from my other phone that is up there, but I'm not going to show you. So as we can see, every single corner block is in right position or the correct position, but not every single one of them is flipped upwards like this one, and we don't need that. We're gonna need, because to make all of them flip at once, we're gonna have to make only one up and this side down. So now we have to take this, remember where this is and this is, and we're gonna have to shift the cube according to where this position is. That means in my case it is over here and this is over here. That means we have to turn the top layer in the direction of the bottom face. That means this is going to turn this way. See? So this is a very tricky one. We're gonna turn this once. We're gonna face double time. We're gonna turn this back. We're gonna turn the face again. We're gonna do the opposite side. We're gonna turn it again. We're gonna do the again this side, top side, and then we're gonna do twice the face. So now we can see we have made an X. We have not disturbed the bottom, and there is an X on every single side. So I'll just show you again. And if you're wondering like, oh, mine isn't on, like previously I've shown you that if you had two of them like this, you just have to give the formula 2 times and it will switch the places and only one will occur. But you say like, I don't have these two but I have these two, then just take any one of the corners, flip them twice, then this corner will be shifted over here like this. Then you can just do the formula again 2 times, so it will go back to 1. See, simple, not that complicated guys, it's very easy. So now if you are just wondering what the formula is, I'm going to stop, try to solve this again to this much in like 5 seconds, this much, and then I'm going to show you again how to do this step to make all this cross again. So I'll be back. Okay, it's back where I came from, but this time this is over here. But this block does not matter what it is. It can be white, it can be blue, it can be green, it can be orange, it can be any. But the main is one has to be in the middle and one has to be on the side like this. Okay, I'll repeat the step, and this time the up side is on this side and the bottom is on this. So we are gonna turn this in the side of this. So that means it's gonna turn like this, then 2 times face like this, then we're gonna turn this back, then we're gonna turn the face again, and now we're gonna do the opposite side like this. We're gonna turn this again, and then we're gonna do 2 times. Sorry, in the opposite direction, but I did it in the opposite. So now it was like this, and we're gonna just turn it 2 times in the opposite direction, and voila, you've got this. And now that you've got this, you're gonna turn the face 2 times. There you go. And now it is crossed on every single side. Hope you got that. Okay, and now we're going to be solving the middle pieces, or the O's. That's what I like to call them. At this point, if you like speedy, then you can actually choose any side you want, because every side is like literally the same. So let me give you an example. Where can I get? Oh, look at this. I can take the yellow faster, because in the white side there is a yellow one over here. That means if I turn this to green, here's green, here's green, I can just quickly shift it up, and then there you go, I have the green. But we're not going to be doing that, so I'm going to put this back where it was again. So you're like, what did he just do? Yeah, so I'm going to explain. So we're going to go with the white one first. So I'm gonna start with the white one, because when I start with any other color else, I feel kind of weird, because then we have to move the white and yellow ones around and it feels so different. So that's why I'm gonna start with the white one, and don't mind any other noises around. So first we're gonna look around the cube, the middle layer only. So I found one white one, but here is green. And then we're gonna find another, the top section, which has two corners, which is green. So that means this side. So we're gonna take the green side and just take a 90-degree around and place it adjacent to this. So that means here is it, and adjacent to this is this cube, which means that now we can put it together. To do that, to put this over here, when we have put adjacent to it, we're gonna push this down like this. I'm gonna push it back the middle row only, and then we're gonna push it up. And there we go. We have the green. Now you have to do that with all the other sides except for one. You can do this and this. You can do this and this, this and this, this and this, this and this. But you always have to leave one. And I will tell you in a second why. So I'll be back when I've done only two. Okay guys, there we go. I've done this and only one is left. As you can see, I'll just show you. Here you go. And this one is very important to leave. Let me just show you. I'll just do it. Find one. So here is the one. So I'm gonna turn this. So the blue side, I'm gonna put it like this. So the blue and this is on the same face. I'm gonna put it on the adjacent face to the blue one. Turn it down. Push it in the middle again, and then push it up. So now we have completed the first layer. But because in this method we don't do first, second, third, we're gonna do 1, 3, 2. So now we have to do the same thing with the, this side. So we're gonna find some yellow. So we find some orange. We're gonna take the orange and put it on the same side. Then put the two corners on the adjacent side of the orange. Move it down and then push it back in. Turn it up, and voila, we have this. But oh no, one is left. That's why we always leave one gap, because it will actually save us time for the speed cubes. We won't have to do extra algorithms to solve this little piece over here, but we can actually even complete this and this at the same time. So now we have completed the orange one, and now we're gonna do the blue, this one. So it is blue on bottom, so we're gonna find the blue one. Just because it is on the bottom side blue, we have to put it on the same face as top and not to the adjacent sides, but like this. We're gonna turn this down, push the middle block, and then push it up. There we go. And as you can see, none of the others are damaged, only this one is changed. Okay, now again we got a yellow and a red. So now we're gonna find the red over here, and we're gonna put it over here. Same process. Voila, we got this red. Okay, but it seems like we have done with this side, but no, not this one, this one. Where did it go? Oh, actually we have completed it. So let me just put it the way it was, like this. So now, as you can see, this all is complete except for this one, and this one is also complete except for this one. These two are important because, as you can see here, the yellow one, if we want to put it over here, we would need extra space to put it over there. So this one was kind of easy because every single time the yellow one was over here. So I'm gonna be back with some different positions of the yellow. So guys, I'll be back. Okay, now it's much better. Oh no, I'll be back when the camera is straight. Much better. Okay, now as you can see, it's still completed over here, but this time none of them are here. So you're like, oh, it's not that hard, we're gonna just do the same. But if we do the same, all of this will be ruined. So to do that, first, because this is like right over here, we're gonna just do this one first. So we're gonna just, so this is yellow and red, this is red and red, so it has to be on the same face. Down, shift, up, done. So okay, this one is done. And now if you want to do the orange, look at this. This is orange and this is yellow. So you're like, oh, that's not a big deal. I'm gonna put the orange over here, not this side, like this. So no, this one is actually a different one, because if you see, it's green. This one is the orange and yellow. So don't get confused by this one, okay? Even I got confused. That's why I just stopped talking. So like this one is orange, I put this, I'm going to put this adjacent and do this. But look at this. We're going to have to do that back to fix it. So how do we do it? We're going to take this one underneath the place where this one is. So that means if the orange in this side in the same face, it goes adjacent in the opposite side, the below one, the bottom layer, should be directly in line with the orange ones. So it should be directly in line between the two oranges one, or any color which you have to put. So when you swipe this and put this color back in place, the bottom one does not get shifted. See, now we have to do this all the way. So I'm going to do one more, then I'm going to let you guys do it all. Oh, actually look, we have done the red and we have done the orange. That means I only have to do one, and I'll do it on camera. So okay, so we have found this one, green and yellow. So we're going to take the green, put it beside the green, put it adjacent to the green, and we have to make in line with this one. Now this is in line. This one we're gonna shift and do the same. Okay, voila, we have done this and this. But now I'm just gonna arrange them back. Where'd it go? Yeah, okay. So now we're gonna arrange them back. So now you can see it makes kind of an eye. See, eye. It's not an eye because this is an incomplete. So is this. So now we're gonna solve the top layer and the bottom layer instantly. Like not instantly, on the same time. So we're gonna take one yellow and we're gonna put it on this side of the white one. I know it sounds crazy, but we're gonna take this yellow side and we're gonna put it on this side. So to do that, we're gonna have to put the side which we have to put the yellow one right here, and at this time adjacent to the yellow, not the color, but to the yellow, adjacent to the color, not yellow, adjacent to the color of which you want to solve the both of them instantly. I hope you get that. And then just below this, you're gonna put this one, so they both come in line like this, and then you're gonna just swap and place it in. So now you can see it is in this side, but the white one is lost somewhere else. Okay, here it is. And now to solve them instantly, we're gonna take the white, find the white piece like this, we found it, and just keep it on the same face, every single thing, so it is in line with this as well as this. And now we are gonna just turn this one face, middle one, again and then again, so it's on this side. And now we're gonna turn this down, turn this back, so the white one is complete as well as the yellow one, and we're gonna just switch it around. See, the white is complete as well as the orange yellow one, and if we just turn it again, we're gonna see every single side there is an eye. See, this is also an eye. See, so is this one, and so is this one. On the top it's completely done, and I'll just tell you how to solve this third layer in the next episode. So just hang on tight, guys. We're gonna rock this with solving the cube. Hope you guys are enjoying these videos, and I know they're kind of long because I have to explain every single thing in it, but still, please, I'll need your comments. I don't need only the good ones, but I also need the bad ones because we learn from the mistakes. So like if you don't understand how I do this, then just tell me, like, you're going too fast, please go a little slower. I don't understand, so I'll make it much slower, and but the slower I do, the longer the videos are, so just remember that. And that's all for today. Hope you guys like the video, and I think you have already subscribed. If not, go hit that subscribe button right now. I'm waiting for 3 seconds. 1, 2, and 3. I hope you have subscribed till now, and go ahead comment on how I'm doing, and please rate from 1 to 5 stars of how I'm doing, and please do leave feedback. I will respond. So guys, thank you for your support, and prepare for the next video on 3, how to solve the middle layer of the Rubik's Cube using the X and O's method. See, it's pretty useful because in the other methods with first layer, second layer, and third layer, it has more algorithms and takes much more time to solve. That's why majority of the speed cubers use this method. So yeah, this one is actually a pretty good method, and hope you like this.